Hi, everybody. Happy Freedom Friday. I'm really happy you are here with me today. Whether you're joining live or watching the replay, you have chosen to spend time investing in your mindset, and that already puts you ahead of most people. If you're watching live, type freedom in the comments. If you're watching the replay, drop replay. I would love to talk to you, and I always go back and reply. And welcome to my regulars, Belinda and Cheryl and Bella and Peter and all those who's watching me. For those who are new here, my name is Lynette Barnors. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and for the past 10 years, I've been working in the online income and financial education space. I don't teach hype, I don't promise quick wins, and I don't believe in pressure tactics. I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring income without selling a thing so that they can live life on their own terms. Now, what do I believe? And what I do is education, systems, and empowering people to make informed decisions about their financial future. Just an important note before we continue. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm not guaranteeing income. I'm not telling anyone what they should do. Everyone's situation is unique. My goal today is simply to help you see risk differently. Now, first, let's introduce our topic of the day. And today we're talking about this idea. Online income isn't risky. Staying where you are is. Now, I know that this statement can feel uncomfortable. And if it triggers resistance, that's okay. Most people have been taught online income equals risk. Traditional income equals safety. But let me ask you something to think about. You don't have to answer out loud, just reflect. Who controls your income right now? Who decides if your salary increases? Who decides if your position is still there at the end of the year or next year? Risk isn't about whether income is online or offline. It's about control and dependency. When all your income comes from one source, especially one that you don't control, that is not stability, that's vulnerability. Online income, when done ethically and properly, is not about gambling. It's about this diversification, your income stream. But why do people fear online income? And let's talk about fear, because fear is a real conversation. People are not stupid for being cautious. They are conditioned to be cautious. Common fears I hear every week is, what if this is a scam? What if I lose money? I've tried so many times and so many things before and it didn't work. I'm not good with technology. I don't want to bother other people. And here's the truth. Most of those fears come from bad experiences or watching others fail without proper guidance. But fear doesn't mean something is dangerous. It usually means you don't fully understand it yet. You don't trust the information source. You don't feel supported. Think about this. At one point, online banking felt risky. I can still remember the first time I saw a video showing that you can transfer money in real time. It was like magic. This video showed a student who was standing at the till and did not have enough money in her account for her purchases. She simply called her father and he transferred the money into her account in real time and she could immediately pay for her purchases. That was in 1997, 1998. And it was like a miracle happening in front of me. At that stage, it was totally impossible. Today, nobody even thinks twice about doing that. Now, paying bills on your phone also felt risky at the stage. Now it's common practice. Sending documents digitally felt risky too, and now we are doing it every day. All of these things that felt so risky back then is now normal. Fear is not a sign to stop. Fear is a signal to learn more. But let's look at the real risk no one talks about. The risk nobody likes to face because it's uncomfortable. The real risk is doing nothing. We live in a time where jobs are no longer guaranteed. Salaries are not keeping up with inflation. Retirement is becoming more uncertain. The cost of living keeps rising, and none of it is your fault. You can work hard, you can be loyal, you can do everything right and still be affected by decisions completely out of your control. So when people say, "At least I have a job," my response is, "That's good, I'm happy for you. But what is your backup plan?" Online income is not about replacing your job overnight. It's about building a second leg to stand on. Because standing on one leg for too long, that's risky. But let's look at what real online income actually is. This part is very important because real online income is not overnight success, guaranteed returns, passive income from day one, no effort required. Real income is learning new skills, following proven systems, consistency over time, personal responsibility, just like in any other business. The difference: online systems remove many traditional barriers. No physical location required, no inventory to manage, no staff to employ, lower startup risk than traditional businesses. I think a much lower one, because I don't think you can start any other business for 329 Rand a month. In my own journey, I didn't succeed because I was special or because I was lucky. I succeeded because I followed the system, stayed coachable, focused on long-term habits, didn't quit when it felt uncomfortable. And no, I didn't understand everything at the start. Nobody does. It was absolutely something totally different for me. But I realized I can do it. You learn by doing. You grow by showing up. Now, why staying where you are still feels safe? But it isn't. Doing nothing feels safe because there's no immediate discomfort. There's no learning curve. There's no risk today. But the cost shows up later. 5 years pass quickly. 10 years pass even faster. And one day people look back and say, "I wish I had started earlier. I wish I had taken that seriously. I thought I had more time." Now I want to share a small story with you because it really stayed with me. One of my team members said something to me last week. She told me that she actually saw one of my Facebook ads about 5 years ago. And at that time, she didn't take action. Not because it was bad, not because it wasn't real, but because life was busy, things felt uncertain, and she wasn't ready yet. And that got me thinking, can you imagine where she might have been today if she had taken action back then? Even just small steps. not in terms of money or titles, but in confidence, skills, understanding, and options. What also stood out to me is this. For over 5 years, actually it's almost 10 years, I've been sharing the same message. Not hype, not trends, not shortcuts. The same principle. Education, systems, long-term thinking, consistency. And to me, that's not something to boast about. It's a reminder of how time will pass, whether we act or not. Opportunities don't always disappear, but time does. And sometimes the real cost isn't taking a step and learning, it's waiting years to realize you were capable all along. This isn't about regret, it's about awareness. If something resonates with you today, don't rush, but don't ignore it either. Because 5 years from now will arrive, no matter what. Online income is not about urgency, it's about awareness. You don't need to rush, but you need to start exploring. Now let's look at my daily habits for building income online. Now I want to share with you something very important, because people often think online income comes from big dramatic actions. It doesn't. It comes from small, boring, consistent habits done daily. I'm not sharing this to say, do what I do. I'm sharing it to show you that this is not magic. It's not chaos either. It's structure. Now, first of all, my first point is my daily learning and staying informed. One of my non-negotiables is continuous learning. I spend time every day reading, watching educational content, staying informed about financial education, digital systems, and trends. Not hours and hours, just focused, intentional time. The online world changes quickly, and staying relevant means staying informed. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about understanding how systems evolve. Learning is an income habit. For example, I've learned to use AI in 2022 to help you build an online business. And today I can't think of a time it was not available. It's absolutely amazing what it can help you with. But you still need to prompt AI on what you want him to do. It can't think for himself. It can never replace a person. I think I can still write a better copy than ChatGPT or the AI can do, because I've got feelings. He doesn't. But it's a wonderful tool to use. Secondly, I have learned to follow systems, not emotions. I don't wake up, feel my way through the day. I follow systems. That means knowing what needs to be done. Having a simple daily structure, not overcomplicating things. Systems remove emotions. And emotions is what cause people to quit too early. Online income rewards consistency, not intensity. Thirdly, value-based communication. I don't pressure people. Every day, I focus on adding value. That looks like sharing education with my team, with new people, online and offline, answering questions, starting real conversations, helping people to understand, not convincing them. I don't chase people. I don't pressure people. I don't promise results. I simply show up as a guide. Trust is built through consistency, not persuasion. Now, number 4 is time blocking and protecting my energy. I'm very intentional with my time. I don't work all day. I don't live online. I don't respond to everything immediately. I block time for work, family, rest, reflection. Burnout destroys income faster than lack of skills. Sustainable income requires sustainable habits, and that's what I'm doing. Number 5, reviewing, adjusting, and staying patient. I regularly review what's working, what's not working, where I need to improve, not emotionally, not harshly, just honestly. Online income is built through small improvements over time. And patience is a habit most people don't practice, which is why most people quit too soon. Number 6, focusing on long-term thinking. Everything I do is with a long-term view. I always say I've got an agenda for everything I'm doing. I've got the end in mind. I don't ask, what can I get today? I ask, what am I building for the next 5 to 10 years? That mindset changes everything. Decisions become calmer. Pressure disappears. Fear loses its power. If you want to hear, I want you to hear this clearly today. Online income is not built by people who are smarter. It's built by people who are consistent. You don't need more confidence. You don't need better habits. You need better habits, not you don't need. You need better habits. You need to take responsibility for your own actions, and habits can be learned. If you are listening to this thinking, okay, this sounds doable, but I need structure. Or what if what she's saying resonates with me, but you're thinking, I need to understand this better before I decide anything. That's the reason why I created my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. It walks you through the mindset, the systems, the habits, the questions you should ask before committing to anything. Inside this guide, I explain how online income actually works, what ethical platforms look like, what questions you should ask before joining anything, and why systems matter more than motivation. You can download it here, https://go.linetbadenhorst.com/blueprint. Now I spell my name LINETBADENHORST.com/blueprint. There's no pressure, no obligation, just education. Now I want to leave you with this. You don't need courage to start. You need clarity. You don't need confidence. Confidence comes after action. Online income isn't risky when it is built responsibly. Staying stuck because of fear, that's the biggest risk of all. Get the information and remove that fear. Now, if you are enjoying these Freedom Friday sessions, I'd love to invite you to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel. And you can like, love, and follow me. Just click that bell and you will all be reminded when I post a new episode. You can also love, like, and follow me on my Facebook page. And that's when you can see when I post new things. On my Facebook page, there, on my blog, on my website, there are more of the same topics available. My website is https://www.linettebadenhorst.com, and if you /blogs, you will directly get to the blogs. I share weekly education, mindset shifts, and practical insights to help you build long-term recurring income, not quick wins. And don't forget to download my free guide, go.linettebadenhorst.com/blueprint, or comment freedom and I will send it to you. Thank you for spending your Freedom Friday with me. Your future deserves thoughtful decisions, not rushed ones. Bye for now. Yes, give it. Elke ding wat jy doen, hoor ek hierso op die video.